If you can get used to it, I say just do it, bro. I wish I was a lot more organized and I would have created those trends beforehand than get here now and not be as organized and force myself to get there. Because you may not be broke starting out, right? And let's say you are freaking doing some direct mail because that's the route you chose. Or you did decide to go to a call center like me. If you come to me, you need to know how many leads you're getting, how much money you're spending, and how much your data costs that you send me every month, right? Because you need to see, like, okay, like this is the track. The reason you want KPIs is so you can be like, okay, this is the regularity. Off of cold calling, after every 50 leads, we get 10 prospects and we get one closed deal. You know, like, and so that's what you're starting to look for, right? But even with direct mail, you need to know, like, okay, well, we got this many phone calls off of this and what it looked like. And I'm telling you, if you can just build it now, it'll be much easier later on. If you're starting off broke, whatever, I would just track, even, let's say when Alan told me I need to knock 500 doors. That's a KPI, bud. Yes. You need to track how many doors you're knocking just so you can reach. Like, I'm pushing. I'm at door 499. The next one's a yes.